Hey guys, here I am going to share 3 advanced words to say cold in English. Number 1 is biting. For an example, you can say he shivered in the biting cold. He shivered in the biting cold. Number 2 is frigid. Frigid. For an example, they walked barefoot on the frigid road. They walked barefoot on the frigid road. Number 3 is Arctic. Arctic. We saw the pictures of Arctic conditions on the TV. We saw the pictures of Arctic conditions on the TV. If you want to improve your advanced vocabulary skills, click the link in the description to buy my advanced English ebook. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye.